Welcome back. In this video, we'll understand Kubernetes master component ETCD. ETCD is an open source distributed key value store that serves as the primary data store in Kubernetes. It provides a reliable and consistent way to store and retrieve configuration data and state information about the cluster. In Kubernetes, ETCD stores the entire cluster state. This includes information about the nodes, ports, service, namespace, and other Kubernetes objects. One of the key features of the ETCD is distributed. ETCD is designed to be highly available and fault-tolerant. It uses a distributed algorithm called draft to make sure all the nodes in the cluster have a consistent view of the data. This means that even if some of the nodes fail or cannot be reached, the cluster can still operate smoothly. ETCD also provides a watch API. This allows clients like the Kube API server to get the real-time notification of the changes happen in the stored data. Another important aspect is data persistence. ETCD can save data to disk, which means that even if the entire cluster goes down or need to be restarted, the state of the cluster is preserved. ETCD can save data to the disk. ETCD also supports security and access control. ETCD includes authentication and access control mechanism to secure access to the stored data. It also integrates with the RBAC, that is the role-based access control, which allow admin to give correct access. Let's look at a quick example to understand this thing. Imagine you want to know the current state of all the pods in your cluster. The Kube API server query ETCD to retrieve this information. When a new pod is created or an existing pod is modified, ETCD updates its state. So to summarize, ETCD in Kubernetes stores all the configuration and state information of the cluster, ensure high availability and consistency using the raft algorithm, provides real-time updates with the watch API, persistent data to ensure durability, supports security and access control. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.